Welcome back to the Healthy Care Channel. Seedling today, we're diving into the wonders of a golden elixir, turmeric water. This vibrant yellow spice, a staple in Eastern cuisine and ancient medicine, is much more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a superfood with amazing health benefits that you can easily unlock by drinking it daily. Curious to know what happens to your body when you make this a daily habit? Stay with us as we uncover the 9 incredible benefits of drinking turmeric water every day. Let's get started. 1. Boosts immunity. The first benefit of drinking turmeric water is a boost in your immune system. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These help in strengthening your body's defenses, protecting you against various infections and diseases. The lipopolysaccharide found in turmeric has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal effects, making it a great natural remedy to stay healthy. 2. Reduces pain and inflammation. If you struggle with joint pain or arthritis, turmeric water can be a natural alternative to painkillers. The anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin help in alleviating inflammation and reducing discomfort. People have long used turmeric with milk or water to soothe aches and pains. Including turmeric water in your daily routine may help ease chronic pain and keep you active. 3. Enhances skin health. Want glowing, youthful skin? Turmeric water can be your secret weapon. The antioxidants in turmeric combat free radicals that cause premature aging. By drinking it regularly, you can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and keep your skin looking radiant and healthy. It's no wonder turmeric is a common ingredient in many beauty rituals and face masks. 4. Aids digestion and weight loss. Good digestion is key to a healthy metabolism, and turmeric water supports both. It stimulates the gallbladder to produce more bile, aiding in digestion and reducing symptoms like bloating and gas. Additionally, it can boost your metabolism, making it easier to manage your weight. If you're looking for a natural way to enhance digestion and shed a few pounds, turmeric water might be the solution. 5. Supports liver health. Your liver plays a vital role in detoxifying your body, and turmeric water can enhance its function. By increasing the production of enzymes that help flush out toxins, turmeric aids in keeping your liver healthy and efficient. For those taking medications that may strain the liver, turmeric water acts as a natural detoxifier, offering extra protection. 6. Improves heart health. Curcumin is beneficial for your heart health as well. It helps lower cholesterol levels and improves the lining of blood vessels, which can reduce the risk of heart diseases. By thinning the blood in a way similar to aspirin but without the side effects, turmeric water can help regulate blood pressure and prevent blood clots. 7. Fights cancer. Research suggests that curcumin's antioxidant properties may help prevent certain types of cancer by managing oxidative stress in the body. Curcumin has been shown to slow down the growth of cancer cells and may even reduce the spread of tumors. While it's not a cure, including turmeric water in your diet could contribute to a cancer prevention strategy. 8. Protects against Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin also supports brain health by reducing inflammation and oxidative damage linked to Alzheimer's disease. Studies show that it can help maintain the healthy structure and function of your brain's blood vessels and cells, potentially lowering the risk of Alzheimer's and improving memory. 9. Enhances mood and fights depression. If you've been feeling down or struggling with low mood, turmeric water might offer some relief. Curcumin can increase the levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that enhances learning and memory. By boosting BDNF, turmeric may help reverse the effects of depression and elevate your mood naturally. How to make turmeric water. Now, you might be wondering how to prepare this powerful drink. It's simple. Boil a cup of water. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix in half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Don't forget a dash of pepper to help your body absorb the curcumin. Optionally, add a bit of honey for sweetness. Stir well and enjoy this golden drink warm, ideally in the morning or before bed for the best results.